Guys, it was really great day. It was easy. We'd love to have this kind of day. So I am up $36,000. I still have 2,000 shares of NVIDIA. I covered that bag holding of Microsoft puts, and that's it. Life is now good. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla opened it strong. Tesla opened very strong, so Qs are strong. Wow, yeah. Tesla looks like a 420 order. NVIDIA rejected. Yeah, no, don't come to the microphone because you can't really talk in the plane as well. So I'm looking at potential Tesla, maybe through TSLL. All right, shit, Tesla is popping up to 420. Let's see if we can get a pullback on it. I'm getting a long on TSLL, 1570. NVIDIA is also popping up. What's NVIDIA? It's 195 is a big order sitting. All right, it's gonna go through 195. I'm long TSLL, guys. Tesla, see, oh, beautiful Tesla, 419. See if we can get to 420 on Tesla. PLTR is also popping up. I'm adding a little bit more on TSLL, see if we can actually get to Tesla 420. It looks like it really wants to reap. Nice. All right, I'm partialing now. Really big profit here, 1519. Thanks to Market Atlas, really helped me. Very nice. So I want to see if 420 on Tesla could be possible. TSLL is a 2 times leverage, guys. It's pretty good. Very heavy. Wow, Microsoft is reaping. Tesla, TSLL, shit, 16, partially more, guys, here. Yeah, big order at 420 on Tesla. It's very bullish. The pattern is very bullish. See if you can get there too. I have a very big size in TSLL. All right, Tesla might go now for 420. So get a pullback. Adding a little bit more on TSLL here, bringing my average to 1584. See if you can get a Tesla looks like a potential for 420. SPY. SPY is gapping up, huh? Nicely. Alright, NVIDIA is coming back. NVIDIA is sold off, huh? Tesla is the best. Tesla is gonna go toward 420. The Atlas is very bullish. See if TSLL would be above 16. There you go. Boom, partialing here at 1601. Tesla, there you go, 420 on Tesla. There you go, boom. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Very nice. Very nice move on. See if you can really break above the 420. Favorite number of Elon Musk. It's up 4%. TSLL's up 2%. Atlas was great, guys. Did you see the market Atlas? It was really nice. NVIDIA is trying to come back up. Let's see what NVIDIA look like. The Atlas of NVIDIA. There's big order at 195. So I'm going to go long NVIDIA, 194.50. See if you can go to 195. I'm going to go long on NVIDIA. It looks like making a bullish engulfing. See if 195 is there. So 195, there's a really big Atlas. Also keep an eye on TSLL to get out of it at the break even. Five minutes in NVIDIA is becoming a bullish engulfing. The daily chart on it. The daily chart is nice. It's gapped up. Ah, shit, rejected that. Fuck. Oops, rejected the VWAP, huh? All right, I'm getting out of NVIDIA, guys. I stepped out on NVIDIA. I did reject. Oh wow, NVIDIA really rejected that, so I got out. I'm glad I got out of it. Tesla, what am I doing on Tesla? I still have some TSLL shares. I got out of NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA rejected the VWAP significantly. NVIDIA NVIDIA has earning, yes. So it didn't really get the revamp, so that's an issue. Let's see if Tesla can do one more leg up. Adding a little more on TSLL it might be the last push that it does, but I'm adding a little bit more and see if you can go back toward 420. There's some orders there. All right, so that doesn't work. All right, I'm getting out of my TSLR completely, guys. It's I think I made a really good money on it. I'm done. Yeah, my average was not great, so that was a really nice 1 minute opening range toward 420. Now the Atlas is not really, we still have the 420, but I don't really think that much of, NVIDIA is coming back up, huh? NVIDIA is coming back up. All right, I'm gonna go another NVIDIA, like this time if it wants to go to 195. So I'm taking another NVIDIA long for the break of 195. See if we can, 195 is the high of the day. Daily chart. Daily chart is really nice. We're fighting at the resistance here. Really, 195 looks like a really big resistance, but let's see if we can go. Qs are ripping, SPY is ripping. All right, let's see if NVIDIA can go toward 195. Come on, NVIDIA, just adding a little bit more on it to help you. So let's see if the market Benzinga is coming. Come on, NVDA. Are you really doing this? I guess it does. Turned out to be super choppy that in this gap up. The daily chart looks really nice on it. It really gap up. I really like the gap up when it break out of these levels, but you know, obviously you have these heavy resistances up here. SPY is bouncing at the VWAP. Alright, coming back up. I haven't got a stop down on NVIDIA yet. All right, here we go. Now we might go for 195. Come on, you can do it. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, it's really struggling at for the break. The order is really big on 195. But that doesn't mean that it's gonna go. We need price action to follow also. put some orders at 195. I want to be part of history. I'm gonna put 1,000 shares at 195. This is my chance to get out of it at break even, but see if Microsoft can rip too. SPY is trying to. Come on, NVDA. Spies reaping. All right, nice. I covered my Microsoft puts at break even, guys, at 7:30. I got lucky. Market bounce. Oh. All right, let's see if NVIDIA breaks 195, then we're gonna be really deep into the money. All right, let's see if we can get the break at 195. SPY is hitting, ripping. Oh, that's what we want. Fucking, you know. What happened? Ah, shit, I didn't get filled at 195. It's really fighting at 195, huh? If it breaks 195, that would be really nice. Did you see that quick move toward 195? No, I just covered them now. Here. This is my Microsoft puts. I got filled at 7:30 here. That's my volume. Also mine. You can't do it in the market. So opened up at 10, I covered it at 7. So but no, I didn't make any money out of it. I just made only $29 because I just really wanted to get out of it. So as you see here, my Microsoft, I covered the shorts. It's only $29. I mean, the commission is $100, so I lost money on it, but it's it was really bad. Like, you know, I got lucky that it bounced back. It was bad. I don't know. I mean, I should have to have buyer protection. When you sell the naked puts, You gotta have protection, and I'm not gonna ever do that again naked because I was down at one point $120,000. It wasn't worth it really. I need to learn to how to buy the protection as well. Yeah, exactly. Always use protection, otherwise you end up naked, exposed. All right, let's see if NVIDIA can do 195 for the sake of getting us rich. Yeah, verticals is a better one. I should have done verticals. It's just, I knew it's oversold, but that's not enough for you to really make a, 100 contract of Microsoft is a lot. Like, 100 contracts is like $4 million position. Like it's half of my account. All right, let's see if NVIDIA can do that 195. It's really driving us crazy. It did bounce high of the days at 195. All right, here we go. I have some orders at 195. You see huge ask. You see huge ask on it. It's gonna get filled. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Yeah, look at this huge orders that you see. Oh, wow, beauty. Wow, beauty, guys, beauty. Jeez, did you see this amazing move, guys? I loved it. Did you see, guys? Did you see that beautiful, amazing move? Tell me you took this. Wow, we are officially very rich altogether. Wow. That's amazing. Oh man, that was a great day I had. Just market atlas, that's it. You don't need anything else in life. That's it. Ah, Microsoft is reaping too. Wow, I should have held my puts. Yes, great, guys, great. So, guys, there's one thing that we did some updates on the back end of trading terminals. You just have to log out and log in if there's any issues. Also, the exchanges requires us to have only one person use the data at the same time. So, if you have two different devices logged in at the same time, it's going to kick you out. That's another thing is that unfortunately, because exchanges are asking per user per charge, it's like your DAS. You can use it only one time in one device. So you would be needing to. All right, so there you go. We're going out. It's amazing. Like that's great trading. Perfect. So NVIDIA earning. So still we have some really big orders up there. $196 is now our order. Big orders stacking up at 196. So it's a really, really great day, guys. I am up a lot, $30,000. Boom, 196. So I'm gonna put some order at 196 just to be part of history. It's good to be part of history. Tesla completely rolled over. That's good. Wow, 196. It's a great. Have a great day, guys. No, Caleb. I saw your email. Just log back and in. That should fix it. I saw your email too this morning. Microsoft is reaping, guys. Ah, shit. I should have held my puts. Now it's at 572. Damn it. Andrew, why are you so afraid? Why are you so afraid of life? Tesla really rolled over. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, Nvidia is really pulling back. Market is rolling over. Wow. What's bonds doing? TLT doing nothing. Wow, that's great. It's absolutely great trading day, guys. Really great trading day. I had a really amazing trading day. TLT is doing nothing. Nvidia looks like it wants to come back for 196. The orders, yeah, 196 is sitting here. See if you can actually do a recording as well to put it in here, just for the sake of live. So see the orders at 196. So again, we're dealing with very massive orders sitting at stacking up at 196. So we want to go to latest. Here it is. So you see we have the orders at 196 here. So we want to get that. And the orders, pattern is very, very bullish. No. There you go. So I have orders stacking at 196. We're gonna go to see beautiful move toward. You see the orders stacking up here as well. This is it. So you can see the beautiful orders stacking up, and we're gonna quickly go to that as well. Like a boss. Did you see that? Boom. So very important, guys. Having market access is very important. It's the same as level 2, but it gives you the timestamp. Plus, visually is much easier to see the orders. The level 2 is moving too fast, and it doesn't give you the timestamp, so you don't know what happened at this time. So there was the big order here, and it's gone, and now you see there's no big order. So, and then you can see the big orders are stacking up. At what time is it stacking up? So. See, there's some big orders now downside, and then you can just by moving in and out, you can change the aggregate to visually become better. You can always change it, the aggregate level here. This is a new update that we did that's make it a little bit nicer for you guys to, for those of you who want to have a more zoom out. Very important element of having scalping, at least for my style of trading, is very important. So I mean, if you have more like a long term, maybe it doesn't help, but for short term scalping, the way that I did here, so you can always see that extremely important to have this kind of tool at your disposal. Does it always say the correct move? No, you always have to look at the price action. What are the price action? Where is the VWAP? Are we trading above the VWAP or below the VWAP? If you're below the VWAP and you see huge asks here, then there's a chance that it's not going to go there, because the VWAP is the the wall that you have to cross over. So it's just one indicator at your disposal. Nothing here is 100%. So can we get to, the question is, Harvey's asking, can we get to what, 200? Oh, no, it looks like it's really ripping. 200 might be a little bit of a stretch. Yeah, I think 200 might be way too much of a stretch. So that means that it has to move another 2%. So I don't know, 10 o'clock, we might not get another 2%, but it looks like 196.50 is in play. Look at the Microsoft. Jesus, Microsoft, man. If I were holding mine, I would have been up $40,000. Jesus. So Lorena is asking, okay, what's my main indicator to trade? So what I'm looking at is a huge big order stacking up with a very bullish, chart pattern, like, an opening range breakout or some sort of a consolidation, like an ABCD pattern. And I'm trying to get a good entry with a good stop loss based on the VWAP and moving averages, and try to get this breakout on this. And I have a presentation that I did for Money Show. I can actually do it later next week as part of our webinar here, with all the recordings and webinars and everything. So no, no, Ismail, there's nothing wrong. The only thing that is, you have to log out and log back in, so your funded account will be okay. You just have to log out and log back in there. Oh, Microsoft is reaping, man. This is the day that we wanted from Microsoft. This is the day that we wanted from Microsoft. Yeah, again, I'm sorry, guys. Just log out and log back. We'll fix all the problems in funded account. We did a big update on it for the performance, because we want to really make the performance much better. And we had to really do a big update, so we need they need to clear your cache. So Kyle, I think tomorrow is I think Friday. Abil is sending them usually Friday, Thursday or Friday. They're gonna send the payments. Jared, 197.10 for NVDA. There is no logic. What do you mean logic? Like it's just the price action was an opening range breakout, and it was pretty simple. Seeing the market atlas of 196, 195, you just want to get to that move. Do I still have anything? Oh yeah, I still have NVIDIA. So let me get out some of NVIDIA here. Just I got distracted. Amazing. I had a really amazing day, guys. $35,000 so far. The most important thing is I get out of that, this fucking Microsoft puts. I covered it at the break even, and now it's trading at 4. I was short, so it would have been another $30,000 if I were holding just for 20 more minutes. But it was bad. It was really bad. I was really having a hard time looking at it yesterday. All right, 197 is in play. So let's put some orders. 500 shares and 197 for NVDA. No, 197 is a little bit too far. Maybe 196.50. John, I think about $1 or $1.5 million buying power. So what you need is a buying power. But you don't need to have that much. Like NVIDIA, for example, moved 4% from 92.50 to 94. You can make that money with the leverage or options as well. Like NVIDIA, for example, like look at the Microsoft move. This is a 400 put for Friday. So from $10 is now trading at 4, 60% move. So you don't need to have a large account for this kind of things. The reason that I'm using large accounts to show this kind of profit is, first of all, is my account is $10 million. Second of all is that, part of my, has 15 years of trading has been always shares and hotkeys and everything. I'm comfortable. And third of all is that obviously I'm an educator, and as a community leader, I need to, show you the basics. And then obviously people like Jared or Brian or Gary, they're all using more sophisticated instruments to manage because they don't have that much of a big of an account, or they don't want to trade with that large share size. So Kyle, my account is $10 million, but it's not, my whole position is not $10 million. I rarely go more than, like, for example, 5,000-6,000 shares of, Tesla or NVIDIA, which is like almost $1 million, $1.5 million. Gary, no, I said you either don't have it or you don't want to trade out in that share size, which is reasonable. I'm kind of reckless, honestly, because I'm single. I have no responsibility. I have nothing. Nobody put this kind of trades on it. You gotta be really, if you trade big size, these leverage products, naked, these are video makers. So you gotta be careful. But it's not about the money. It's really about, like, money is no problem. Come, I'll give you funded accounts of, $50,000 if you don't have money. It's about the skill. It's about finding consistency in the random market. Like, Market Atlas has given me an edge. I had it before, but now it has given me way better, edge. Like futures right now, see what's happening in the futures. Yeah, futures are kind of indecisive. Yeah, Caleb, it's like without Market Atlas and it's trading terminal. I was also thinking of also not naked, like blind. Like I really think that I'm trading like this. Like you just like you don't have an eye. Like you just have to find. All right, any questions?